Good afternoon, everybody. Here at Mill Run Golf Club, Jeff Hewitt, Superintendent, Ryan Tracy, General Manager, here with some course information and updates for you. Beautiful sunny day. Yesterday we had some much needed rainfall. We haven't had too much over the last couple of months, but we're happy to see the course greening up for better conditions. So we're heading into the fall season and we're doing a little bit of bunker repair. Do you want to tell us about that, Jeff?
Yeah, we are in the midst of filling in the one bunker on the right side of one grind currently. With just soil. We've taken all the sand out of it and put it in 6 grist on the left side, which is known to have very little sand in it. Next week we'll be sodding 7 wheel and 7 grind bunkers with a sod liner as we did on 3 grist.
Nice, yeah. So as that sod gets put down, it'll take a little bit to have it take and be a nice solid foundation for the bunker, and then eventually we'll replenish it and have that back in play, hopefully within the next month or so. Other than that, the tees, we're going to be aerating soon.
Yeah. So as we move forward in the next couple weeks, we're going to be solid tining our tees. We'll be doing it throughout the next couple weeks. It's a little bit of a process. We're going to try and limit the amount of what we do during play so we're not disturbing play. And there'll be some large holes in the tee decks, but that'll really relieve the compaction, especially on some of the tee decks that have really taken a bit of a beating through this drought this year.
Yeah, like some of those par 3s that have had a lot of play on them as well. We're going to try and move them around, maybe blue to the black deck or to the white deck to give them a bit of a reprieve as well, and hopefully get a little bit more growth as we head into the fall and finish the season strong. Lastly, irrigation, I guess, is the one thing we wanted to touch on, right?
Yeah, so throughout this drought we've had over the last couple months, it's really apparent what kind of irrigation system we have. Many may not know we have a single row irrigation system. So what that means is 90% of our irrigation runs directly up the center of most fairways. Anything outside of a fairway that you see that is showing dormancy, which is a browny yellow color, is not getting any water necessarily. So that really hinders our ability to keep the entire course green, as we don't have irrigation in between a lot of holes.
A good example of that, I think, is right here. We're in between number 1 grist, 1 grind. You can see how the fairway, especially after the rain yesterday, is greened up nicely, and then as we stand in the rough here in between the holes, it's browner, and then as we head over here to see number 1 grind fairway, again green. So you can definitely see a distinction. We wish our irrigation hit all of it, but we're a little limited, but we know greens, tees, fairways are where most of you play and where we want to focus on. So thanks. Any more on the irrigation?
Other than that, we're doing the best we can to continue hand watering where we can, as well as throwing out impacts. We know that they disturb play with hoses going across the fairways, but we ask for your patience when we do have those running.
Thanks. Yeah, and the last thing I'll mention for today, again, our Pay Now, Play Now promotion, which started August 15th, runs for the remainder of the year. There's still some good quality golf. Again, you pay for your 2020 membership. If you have anyone you know that is interested in joining, pay for 2020 now. You get to play for the rest of the season. So please pass that along. Other than that, have a great week, and we'll talk to you next week. Thanks, Jeff.
Thank you.